Welcome back to Feni for the Soul. Good afternoon, everyone. I am in Bengaluru, and this is HSR layout. Very large area in residential and commercial area in Bengaluru. And I have come in search for authentic nutty food. Now, authentic nutty food is your Karnataka veg and non-vegetarian food. You know, in a thali. So let's walk to Rashtrakutas. It's supposed to be a lovely place. We are inside Rashtrakuta, the authentic nutty food restaurant in HSR layout. It's very interesting. It's got lovely murals on the walls, which is something like rural Karnataka. Village scenes on the wall. Can you see that? Very pretty. Family there, having their meal, and at the far end you have got some more people there, and it's quite nice. It's got let me see what kind of paintings on the yeah, they got all rural landscapes on the wall, like paintings of farmers on bullock carts and all that. Very nice. There's something here on of a farmer and his two bulls. We are seated. I have come with my family. I can show you. That is, I come with my daughter, son-in-law, wife, and Clevel, their friend. Hey guys, say hello. That's my son-in-law. Our son-in-law Aldridge. That's our daughter Tanvi, and that's my wife Shobi. And Clevel is from Mumbai, and he's my
Hi friends.
He's my son-in-law's batchmate from the other catering college. What is it? The best in the country.
The best in Asia. So I was told.
So you got 3 hospitality graduates here. That's our son-in-law, daughter, and Clevel. So you can imagine how we are going to be handling the food shortly. Okay, so we are waiting for the food to come, but look at I wanted to show you the plate. This is made of copper, the copper plates and banana leaves, and even the water is being served in copper glasses. And this is very exciting. So let's wait for the food to come. So this is a plateful, as you can see. Just look at this, a huge plateful, and I'm going to explain what all is there. This big ball is called ragi mudde. Now ragi mudde is made of ragi. It's intense ragi. I'll just break it up to see how it's nice and sticky and full of starch. So this is your bread, so to say, And I'll explain. This chicken is the Rashtrakuta style, meaning the Karnataka style of fried chicken. They got Andhra style chicken, chili chicken. I hope it's not too spicy, but you got biryani rice here. You got a Karnataka style chicken curry, and you got fried pieces of chicken. So it's not over yet. There's rasam here. There's the South Indian rasam, which is very tempting on the rice, plain rice, and then there is buttermilk, there is some salad, and finally there's payasam, which is more Kerala style. It originates in Kerala. But this is your thing. You need to run 10 kilometers in the morning to deserve this. Okay, and I'm going to dip into the chicken curry. This is non-spicy and plain. It's even low on salt, but it's got a lot of ghee in it. A lot of ghee, and it's supposed to be very nutritious. The chicken curry is yummy, as expected, and the ragi mudde is what is playing the role of bread, really. To put it plainly, but very good. Let me try what is their special. They call it the Rashtrakuta fried chicken. Let me bite into a piece. Very yummy. Masala is great. Masala is great. While we are at it, let me sample the Andhra chili chicken and see what the difference is. Spicy. It is spicy. I'll need my buttermilk soon. More soon. So we are midway through our meal, everyone. So I'm going to ask Clevel, who's the hospitality expert, to tell us how he's enjoying his meal and what has he liked in this non-vegetarian nutty thali. Clevel, tell us.
So if you ask me, I think the Andhra chicken was exciting. It's a little bit spicy, but I like spice, so this was nice. And there was the curry, which was, I think, the Kerala chicken curry.
No, the Karnataka chicken
The
curry.
Karnataka chicken curry. I think that was really flavorful. I enjoyed it. And in fact, the rotis also were nice and thick, So I feel if the curry was slightly more thicker, it would have gone better with it. But the flavor-wise, it's number one. Really enjoying my meal.
And you like the biryani rice.
The biryani rice was special.
There was some little coconut in it. Did you notice that?
Yeah, there was some coconut. There was a lot of cardamom, some kind of spice that was there. That was giving it that kind of aroma. I wish they gave me two of that. Yeah, I might just call for another one. But yeah, all in all, really tasty.
Thank you. So I'm going to go over to our son-in-law Aldridge. He's a senior pastry chef now. But this is not pastry stuff. But anyway, look at his plate. It's almost over.
Finished, yeah.
You see? So this is my plate, which is still got food in it, and this is Aldridge's plate. So that means he's enjoyed his food a lot. What did you like the most, Aldridge?
I think the biryani rice was quite interesting. It was nice, rich and flavorful. And I've been trying to finish the Andhra chicken, but it's been really spicy. So I think the paisam is helping me sort it out and keep me afloat while I'm still sweating because it's really spicy. So I think the paisam is a complete failure, and the biryani rice is quite nice.
Great. And just for the record, Aldridge has cycled 140 kilometers this morning. One of his routine cycling, training trips. Okay, bon appetit, everyone.